As a life, we have a right to nourish ourselves, but we don't have the right to take another life just for pleasure. It's a creature just like us. Animals too have emotions. They too have loved ones. They too have a life. They too have a right to live. They too have a right to sustain on this planet. They too have sense of thoughts. Those pains, misery and emotions are transferred to the person eating that animal. They don't deserve to be slaughtered for human pleasure. We build the slaughterhouses for big money generating businesses. We build the meat shops for our taste buds, not our pain. We've trained the butchers for mercilessly murdering thousands of creatures. We build the supply chains for easy and fast non-veg delivery. We've packed their slaughtered flesh in fancy packages for increasing customer attraction. We've beautifully presented them in parties for enjoyment. We've derived pleasure out of death of innocent creatures. We've filled their empty stomachs with another being's dead remains. Are we really human? Are we really the most advanced species around the universe? Are we really the beings with the maximum brain power? Are we really beings with emotions only relating to our own near dear ones? Are we really sensitive? Are we really kind? Aren't we selfish? Aren't we sadistic beings? Aren't we inhuman? Aren't we insensitive? Aren't we bloodthirsty? Aren't we cruel? Aren't we killers? Today humans are just gulping anything down in their body with an easily available coke. If you eat raw meat, it will take 72 to 74 hours to go through your system. On the other hand, if you eat a raw vegetable, it will take 12 to 15 hours to go through your system. If you eat well-cooked meat, it takes 54 to 56 hours to go through your system. On the other hand, if you eat cooked vegetables, it will take 20 to 24 hours to go through your system. A fruit takes 1.5 hours to 3 hours to go through your system. Any food that stays for long periods of time in the system creates excessive bacteria in the body. According to medical research, if the bacteria stays in the body, it will create serious diseases like cancer and many others. Dead food brings lethargy to the system. Today, food scientists have done enough research on animal slaughter that when you slaughter an animal, however scientifically you kill it, the last emotions of the slaughtered creature will be transferred to the body eating it. He goes through enormous amount of stress and tension of any kind. 1 of every 4 deaths in America is because of cancer. There's a strong correlation between diet and cancer. Most kids by the age of 10 years in the US already have fatty streaks in their arteries, which is the first stage of heart attack or stroke. Today, 2/3 of America is obese. Clearly, there's a food issue. In the next 25 years, 1 out of every 3 people in the world will have diabetes. Research on 500,000 people have shown that the cause of diabetes also is a meat-based diet that builds up the amount of fat into the blood, thereby also leading to cancer. As per the slaughterhouse production data, the slaughter process speed is increasing. At present, 220 cows an hour are killed in one slaughterhouse. That is about 4 cows butchered in a minute from one slaughterhouse. This dangerous speed means that animal waste ends up everywhere. Tests shows that more than 90% of the beef, chicken and pork meat contains a fecal bacteria. There's nothing clean in eating them. It just isn't waste but pus-filled infections. A plant-based diet is not only inexpensive but also provides the body more energy and agility. Thousands of athletes and bodybuilders have experienced more lifting power after turning vegan. The strength of their body increased within a couple of weeks. High blood pressure went down, stamina just popped to higher levels. Looking strong on the outside doesn't really mean the person is actually strong. Protect and respect animals. Stop eating meat-based diet. Switch to a plant-based diet. Save yourself. Save the planet.